You are now watching KG Channel. Hello and welcome back. Ito na po ang mga maiinit na balita. Nag-viral ang mga larawan ni Paolo Contis kasama ang mga anak at ex-wife na si Lian Paz. Makikitang very happy and grateful si Paolo Contis sa muling pagkikita sa kanyang mga dalagang sina Salin at Sonia. The Kapuso actor shared photos from his bonding moments with his daughters, his ex-wife, Lian Paz, and her current partner, John Cabahug, as he greeted the basketball player a happy birthday. Hindi rin pinalampas ni Paolo ang pagkakataon sa kanyang social media post para pasalamatan ng kanyang ex-wife na dating EB Babes na si Lian Paz. Nagbigay din siya ng magagandang salita para sa kanyang ex-wife. Sinabi ni Paolo na mabait at forgiving si Lian kahit noon pa. Ito ang nasabi ni Paolo para sa dating asawa. Sa unang pagkakataon ay puro positive at inspiring message ang natanggap ng aktor at TV host sa latest post niya sa kanyang social media. Ito ang caption ni Paolo Contis sa kanyang post. Happy birthday, John. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for allowing Lian and my kids nung araw na to. Oo, hinintay ko talaga ang birthday mo to publicly express my gratitude to you. Lian, you have always been kind and forgiving. This is why hindi kayo pinabayaan ni Lord. I appreciate all your efforts in talking to John about that day. Thank you for being strong and for how you nurtured the kids to have beautiful hearts. John, I cannot thank you enough for this chance. I promise to have a constant communication sa inyong lahat. I will not waste this chance. Thank you for taking care of the kids. Please know that I am always here para sa inyong lahat. To more precious days like this. Happy birthday, John. Thank you for the friendship. Nag-comment din si Lian Paz ng Bible verse Romans 8:28. And we know that for those who love God, all things work together for good. For those who are called according to His purpose. Saad sa naturang verse. Para sa mga hindi nakakakilala kay John Cabahug, si John ay ang longtime partner at fiancé ng dating asawa ni Paolo na si Lian. Nakabase sila sa Cebu. Ayon sa PEP na nakausap, umano nila si Lian Paz via direct messaging tungkol sa post ni Paolo. Ito ang sinabi ni Lian. Wait, nagiiyakan pa kami ni John. I'm happy because hindi naman ito about sa amin, ni Paolo, or ni John. This is all because of God and His love for us. Only God can turn pain into joy and heal our hearts. I want my children to see God's hand in everything sa buhay namin. He is constantly working in our lives, and He's writing every story, making it a beautiful testimony. I have always hoped also for Paolo to have a good life, because he's the father of Zonia and Celine. I never taught my children to hate their father no matter what. It wasn't easy for them because nasa limelight siya and people in their school ask them kapag may issues. But again, God protects and God is faithful. He is always good to those who fear Him. God looks at our hearts. Saad ni Lian. Nakakatuwa at ang sarap tignan talaga na makitang nagkakaayos. Ang mga dating may broken relationship sa isa't isa ay nagkakaayos na, mapamarriage man yan, kaibigan o pamilya. Nagpakasal sina Lian at Paolo noong 2009 pero naghihiwalay sila noong 2012. Nasa pangangalaga ni Lian ang dalawang anak nila ni Paolo taong 2013 nang mag-cruise ang landas ni Lian at John at saka nagkahulugan ng loob. Mayroon na ring isang anak na babae, si Lian Paz at John Cabahug, at masaya silang pamilya ngayon na naninirahan sa Cebu simula noong 2015.